I've probably baked about 500,000 pizzas in my entire life. You might think that things work without a hitch here at Mount Sizzle. They don't. We have hitches. Smoking hot hitches. Yeast makes carbon dioxide, and the heat helps the levity.
Carbon monoxide? Get out of your damn house!
I'm going with a shop lamp on this one. No, it's just plain old carbon dioxide. You gotta doctor the sauce. Most jar-bought sauces suck. I really don't know what Canadian bacon is. Is it just livestock hanging out in Quebec? You'll need a pizza peel. I'm using this metal one, and I don't suggest one of these at all. You'll see in a few seconds. If you can get one, get a wooden peel. It's nice to have. If you like a crispy crust, do a very light saucing. It would be easy for me to do a pepperoni and cheese pizza. How about ham and broccoli with extra cheese? Break free. Ham, broccoli. You can do it. You'll want to heat your oven as hot as it will go. Mine is 550 degrees. Just blast it. Put in the oven, I get a little tan. Oh, I got a pizza stone. Plus, they have, other applications like baking cookies. If you're into that kind of shit. This was very frustrating.
God damn it.
Broccoli was coming off like marble, cheese going everywhere. This is almost an abort mission. I had to transfer the pizza to the stone manually. This hurts a lot. My smoke detectors work. I think the only reason this pizza was not perfect was this cheese. I was using Kroger mozzarella. It's like plastic. 550's hot. Fucking toasty. This pizza doesn't sag very much. It has a semi-erection, which is nice. Shit.